We have Robert here. He's one of our installer. He's an independent contractor, and we train him in installing the aluminum products. And Robert, is the aluminum product easier to install than iron?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
What's the reason?
One, I don't have to take my welder anymore, and two, it's just everything. It's lightweight. It's a lot easier to install, a lot cleaner.
So let's say it's a 14 feet gate by 6. Usually, how many people you need to take with you on if it's iron?
At least three, minimum three.
Minimum 3. And if it's aluminum?
Oh, aluminum, two people easily.
Okay.
Maybe one person can grab it.
Right.
Yeah, it's good.
Right. Two additional people to you, or two guys can go on an installation like that?
For aluminum,
Yeah.
just one main guy and a helper, and that's it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. And how do you find the finish to be?
Oh, beautiful. I think I like it.
And what's the reactions of the customers?
So far, everyone has loved it. The finish, the way it installs, it's less messy. It's a great
Beautiful.
product.
Beautiful. Thank you, Robert, for this information. That was just happening by coincidence. Robert came to pick up some material, having some coffee, some portos in here, and I was asking
Yeah.
those questions. So it is what it is. Thank you very much for watching.